Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a quotation in Tally ERP. Quotations are vital documents that outline proposed prices and terms for your customers. Using Tally ERP for this process offers a streamlined workflow, significantly reducing manual effort and minimizing the chance of errors. To begin, you will need to enable sales order processing within your company's inventory features. This foundational step is crucial for setting up the quotation functionality. Next, let's configure a dedicated voucher type for your quotations. From the gateway of Tally, navigate to Accounts Info, then Voucher Types, and choose to create a new one. You should create this under the sales order type. Give it a descriptive name like Quotation. Critically, set the option Make Optional as default to Yes. This ensures your quotations do not immediately impact your books of accounts. Now it's time to input the details for your quotation. From the gateway of Tally, go to Order Vouchers. Here, you will select the quotation voucher type you just created. Proceed to enter all the necessary information, including the customer's name, address, and contact details. Then, specify the items or services, their quantities, and the proposed rates. Ensure all figures are accurate to provide a clear estimate to your client. Once all the details are entered, save your quotation. After saving, you can easily print it for your records or to share with the customer. Simply use the print command, which is usually Alt+P. Tally also allows you to customize the print settings. You can include your company logo, add specific terms of payment, and delivery details, ensuring a professional and branded document for your potential clients.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.